how to turn off email, product updates, notifications on TikTok mobile. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to turn off email, product updates, notifications on TikTok mobile. First then open TikTok and here you will find profile, click on it and then click the three lines in the top corner and now click settings and privacy and then click push notifications. Now scroll down, here you will find email notifications and here you will find product updates. Now just turn it off and that's it. Now go back and that's how to turn it off. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget like and subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.